If you're deciding between JetBrains IDEs like IntelliJ or PyCharm and Visual Studio Code, it comes down to depth versus flexibility. JetBrains IDEs are full-featured environments tailored to specific languages. You get intelligent code completion, built-in debugging, refactoring tools, version controls, and project-wide search, all integrated and highly polished, perfect for serious development in Java, Python, Kotlin, or other supported languages. Vscode, by contrast, is lightweight and extremely extensible. It starts as a simple editor but with extensions. It can become a full IDE. It works well for multiple languages, quick scripting, and even container-based workflows. It's fast, open source, and ideal for developers who like to customize their setup. If you want deep integration, performance tooling, and enterprise-grade reliability, JetBrains IDEs are worth the investment. But if you need a lightweight, modular, and free solution, VS Code delivers incredible value.